Dumpster rental service in Elmont, New York. Managing waste during a project doesn't have to be difficult. With S&S Containers Incorporated, we offer quick and hassle-free dumpster rental service in Elmont, New York. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, renovating your home, or working on a construction site, we have the right dumpster for you. Our dumpsters come in various sizes, making waste disposal simple and affordable. The rental process is easy. Choose your dumpster size, schedule delivery, and fill it up. When you're done, we handle pickup and disposal. There are no hidden fees or unnecessary complications, just a straightforward service you can trust. At S&S Containers Incorporated, we prioritize customer satisfaction. Our team can always help you select the right dumpster and answer any questions. We take pride in offering reliable, on-time service so your project stays on schedule. We also dispose of waste responsibly, minimizing environmental impact. We're committed to providing efficient and cost-effective waste management solutions for homeowners, contractors, and business owners. If you need a dependable dumpster rental service in Elmont, New York, we're here to help. Call 718-648-2010 today to book your dumpster rental and experience stress-free waste management.